Welcome to Rustbuster's Installation Guide
for Ford's 1980 to 1996 F-Series trucks.
Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazard.
Step 2. Unbolt the truck's cab and lift it to create clearance in the work area. Support the transmission, remove the transmission mount from the crossmember, and clear any fuel lines, brackets, or clips from that area. Step 3. Inspect the frame rail where the transmission crossmember mounts. If the frame rail is structurally sound, remove the factory transmission crossmember by unbolting it or cutting the bolts. If the frame rail requires repair, remove the crossmember, grind the area to bare metal, apply weld-through primer, and install the required frame kit. Step 4. Paint the replacement transmission crossmember prior to installation and allow it to dry.
We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint.
Step 5. Align the new transmission crossmember using the factory mounting holes. Install the included hardware, securing the crossmember to the brackets and frame rails. Tighten all hardware fully. Finally, reinstall any removed components, including fuel lines and brackets. Reinstall the transmission, then lower and reinstall the cab. Now, get back out on the road.